Hello there, you're watching the Programmer Lad, and my name is Heyman. So, what are you going to see in this video is a little program made using the Pygame module of the Python. It's a never-ending, sky shooter kind of game, named as Skies Unlimited, where you have to blow several enemies to gain score. Before getting started, let me tell you some points based on what this script contains. Those are: first, scrolling never-ending backgrounds. Second, player and enemy sprites. 3. Guns and bomb animations. 4. Player missile. 5. Its collision with enemy. 6. Different types of guns fired by different types of enemies. 7. Player health. 8. Score, based on distance traveled, and type of enemy destroyed. 9. High score. 10. And last but not least, a lot of randomness. So friends, let's get started, and hope you guys will enjoy watching it.
Like my Dutch, then start to drift. Like my Dutch, then start to drift.
Okay guys, if you don't have Python or Pygame installed on your PC, and want to play this game, I have also created an exe version of the same, and the file's link is available in the description below. You can download it from there. Do like and share this video if you liked it, and thanks for watching.